To open a Cash App account in Nigeria, you must first understand that Cash App is not directly available in Nigeria, but you can use a VPN and a US phone number to access the service. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, download and install a VPN on your device to mask your location and make it seem like you are accessing the app from the United States. There are many VPN options available, both free and paid, so choose one that suits your needs. Next, download the Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If you are unable to find the app, it may be because your location is not set to the United States. So make sure your VPN is active. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need a US phone number to sign up. You can obtain a US phone number from services like TextNow or Google Voice. These services provide you with a free US phone number that you can use to receive verification codes and make calls. After you have your US phone number, open the Cash App and tap on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and the US phone number you obtained. Then create a password for your account. You will receive a verification code on your US phone number. Enter this code to verify your account. You will then be asked to provide some personal information, including your name and date of birth. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and matches the information on your government issued ID. Finally, you will need to link a debit card or bank account to your Cash App account. You can use a US bank account or a debit card to do this. But keep in mind that you may be charged foreign transaction fees if you use a Nigerian debit card. In conclusion, opening a Cash App account in Nigeria requires some extra steps, including using a VPN and obtaining a US phone number. However, with the right tools and information, you can successfully sign up for a Cash App account and start using it to send and receive money.